तदंते वासिवर्याणां पूज्य श्री शंकर विजयेंद्र सरस्वती श्रीचरणानांच चरणकमलेषु साष्टांगं साष्टांगं सभक्ति श्रद्धं सविनयंच प्रणमामः. Very good morning to one and all. We are very happy for introducing ourselves to the learned scholars from various parts of India and various parts of universe. Sir, this is our university, Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Vishwa Mahavidyalaya by name, is located in Kanchipuram, the southern part of India, and particularly in Tamil Nadu. The Kanchipuram city is well known for from ancient times. It is a traditional city. There was a knowledge center established in ancient times by name Ghatika Sthanam, and there the doubts of all scholars from various parts of India, from various subjects, are cleared. So the university, the Vidyasthana, center of knowledge, is found in inscriptions. So our Swamijis wished to reconstruct that Vidyasthanam, Ghatika Sthanam, by name Ghatika Sthanam, and our Pujya Sri Jayendra Saraswati Swamiji has established this university on the name of his Guru Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Swamiji. Now it is well preserved and protected and guided by present Swamiji Sri Shankara Vijayendra Saraswati Swami. Now the present Swamiji is the 70th parampara of the great Jagat Guru Adi Shankaracharya. That parampara is continuously coming. Adi Shankaracharya established a Sarvajna Pitha in Kanchipuram. Since then, the knowledge is preserved. As a part of that, our Swamijis, while they visit various parts of India by Padayatra, they have collected so many manuscripts from various parts of India. Those are well preserved in our university library. Approximately 3,500 bundles of palm leaf manuscripts are available, and more lakhs of leaves are available there. These manuscripts are containing mainly the Sanskrit related literature and Tamil related literature, and they are in various scripts like ancient scripts, Grantha script, Devanagari and Nandinagari, all these various, even Sharada Lipi manuscript also available. Various different types of manuscripts are available in our manuscript library. So our Swamiji, Sri Shankara Vijayendra Saraswati Swamiji, had an idea to bring to the light the knowledge hidden in these manuscripts. It should be brought to the use of society. So this idea he shared with our present Vice Chancellor, Honorable S.V. Raghavan, sir. He is a great scientist, well-known scientist of computer science, retired from IIT Madras, and he is main part of creation of national knowledge network. So many achievements he has in his life, in his career. So the idea of our Swamiji is developed by our Vice Chancellor, and then the concept of this project has come to practice. We are very thankful to Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, for funding this project. This project now, this project is going on now. Today's inaugural session, there we invited Dr. Mukul Sinha ji, MD, ESCL, New Delhi, and he is chairman of our project performance review committee also. He has kindly accepted to share his experiences in this particular field, and he is to guide us stage by stage during this project period. Welcome, sir. Please accept our pranams, our namaskars as a flower bouquet in welcoming to this workshop. Welcome, sir. And then our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sri Dr. S.V. Raghavan, he will share his ideas, and he will encourage us, and he will develop this project, how to do this work and everything. So I welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor S.V. Raghavan. And after this inaugural session, there will be main speeches, keynote addresses by various experts from various parts of world. By names, actually, Dr. Pratapanand Jha, Director Cultural Information, Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts, Ministry of Culture, Government of India. He has to take part in this program, but due to his personal issues, he could not come to this program. Then Dr. Dinesh S. Katre, Senior Director and Head, Human Centered Design and Computing Group, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, will give a speech on human cognition versus metadata of everything, a case study of digital library. And then use cases of palm leaf manuscript metadata schema in working projects. Dr. Devi Prasad Mishra, Deputy Head of the Department, French Institute of Pondicherry. And then metadata and balliness, palm leaf manuscripts, digitization projects, and online repositories. This talk will be given by Professor Andrea, ACRI, PSL University, France, EFEO. Then text transmission through palm leaf manuscripts, preservation and cataloging. This speech by Dr. R. Satyanarayanan is also from EFEO, Ecole Research Center, Pondicherry, French Institute, Pondicherry. And then the development of metadata for palm leaf manuscripts in Thailand, Asia, is Dr. Nishakol Chemnon Sri, School of Information Technology, Institute of Social Technology, Suranari University of Technology, Thailand. I welcome all these experts. I also welcome the participants from various parts of India and abroad. My request to all participants is, please continuously, without break, please listen to get the benefit of this workshop, because we have to do this is the eternal knowledge. By the name itself, Shashvata Aishwaryam, that is eternal wealth. The manuscript wealth is eternal in our India. We have to bring to light in future, so for next generation benefit. So please, I welcome all of you. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Mukul Sinha ji to give his speech.